All right, here we go. It's official. Ondas, ONDS stock ticker. It's official. Centrix will be deployed across most cities to protect the FIFA World Cup 2026. Let's see what's going on. Press release for Ondas. Ondas has been selected to deploy counter-drone protection for the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Ondas Centrix cyber over RT technology to be deployed across multiple FIFA World Cup host venues across North America for detection and mitigation of unauthorized drones. Reinforces Centrix's position as the leading provider of non-disruptive counter-drone solutions for large-scale civilian and critical infrastructure environments. Ondas, leading provider of autonomous aerial and ground-based intelligence through Ondas Autonomous Systems. So what is Centrix? Centrix solution is expected to be deployed across most venues where matches will be held, supporting efforts to protect stadiums, fan zones, and related event locations from unauthorized drone activity throughout the tournament. The selection reinforces Centrix's position as leading drones provider of non-disruptive counter-drone solutions for large-scale civilian and critical infrastructure environments. All right, so let's see what Centrix actually is here. It's in the box. What's in the box? Centrix drones will destroy all unauthorized drones around the World Cup stadium. So imagine 100,000 people packed into a stadium, the noise, the energy, the chaos, and above it all, a drone watching everything. That's not the future, it's happening now. And the company behind it is Ondas. Ondas, because ONDS is now being tied to the FIFA World Cup. And at the same time, quietly positioning itself inside a $33 billion contract pipeline with WS Darley, which we will get to in a minute. And almost nobody's paying attention. So let's start with the World Cup. FIFA World Cup is not just a soccer tournament, it's one of the largest global events on the planet, with millions of people watching, hundreds of thousands inside stadiums, which means one thing, that security becomes everything. And this is where drones come in. Not for photos, not for entertainment, but for real-time surveillance. Perimeter monitoring, crowd intelligence, the kind of infrastructure that governments are invested heavily in right now. So when ONDS gets tied into something like this isn't just a small deal. This is a global showcase. If their technology performs here, every government, every agency is watching. So this is a YouTube video on Ondas Diab Optimus system, where drones can use surveillance in an area such as World Cup stadiums.
We are operating fully autonomously beyond visual line of sight. This trailer can be anywhere.
If you have a storm, you're going to do an assessment of damage, you're going to do assessment of repairs. For ships at sea and busy harbors and things like that, this device could be involved in marine transportation. As far as the marine engineers, it's all about inspections, not just of bridges, but of ships and shoreside facilities.
We're in a collaboration with MassDOT in order to bring unmanned capabilities to the state. Obviously inviting stakeholders in all different kinds of industries, from the Coast Guard to the ports, to the airports, to rail.
It shows the leap in technology we have taken. It's no longer going to be visual inspections by person anymore. I firmly believe that it's going to be drones like the Optimus, saving lives and being able to be deployed 24/7.
So now here's where things get very interesting, because at the same time, Ondas just positioned itself inside a $33 billion opportunity. This comes through WS Darley and Company. And what is WS Darley, you say? WS Darley is a family-owned fourth-generation company founded in 1908 by William Stewart Darley. It manufactures and distributes fire pumps, fire trucks, and technical equipment for defense and first responders. Headquartered in Illinois and manufacturing in Wisconsin, it is a major federal contractor and global leader in firefighting equipment. But as you can also see, that it's moving into defense. So we have first responders and we have defense. Here is one of the Darley brothers talking about the company moving into defense.
Darley, you can read about him on page 6. He's a new fourth generation, one of 6 now, fourth generation family members at Darley. He's going to be managing that Pierce account and Oshkosh account, as well as other large defense prime contractor accounts. And that's a market that we're going heavily after. So we've attached our defense manufacturing capability statement. And in order to serve the federal government now, you have to have what's called CMMC certification. It's a cyber maturity model certification. And through a third party. Now, there's 60,000 defense manufacturers in America. We were one of the first 300 to receive this third-party certification. So very proud of our team on that. It's going to open up a lot of doors for Darley.
One second here. So let's check out the WS Darley defense contracts. So it's kind of like WS Darley is a major supplier to the U.S. military and first responders and government agencies. Now, this is not like a Facebook marketplace. This is more like Amazon and for government buyers. And it's a closed system where only approved companies are allowed to sell. And Ondas just got inside that system, which means they now have access to compete for contracts that could total up to $33 billion. So it's kind of like what seems like the old Sears catalog or whatnot. So if you go to Defense Capabilities Brochure, and if you want to go here and then you go to you go full screen. And then if you go to page 30, you can see UAV systems, unmanned air defense vehicles, UAVs. Tactical drones have become invaluable assets in modern military operations, providing real-time intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities. So if you wanted to buy a drone, then you can buy it from here. But it's not guaranteed revenue, but it's access. And in government contracting, that's everything. Because before this, Ondas would have to go to win contracts one by one, which is a slow process. It's heavy red tape. And now they're inside the system where the money is already flowing. And getting inside that system, that's often the most difficult part. So now think about what's happening here. On one side, you have the World Cup, a global stage providing the technology works. And on the other side, you have access to a $33 billion contract pipeline. Most companies get one catalyst. Ondas just got two catalysts. And they feed directly into each other. And just to be clear, this is not a hobby drone company. Ondas is focused on autonomous systems, defense applications, and critical infrastructure. This is the type of technology being used for surveillance, security, and real-time decision making. This is mission critical, not optional. So what should investors actually be watching now? Let's go to ONDS stock ticker for today. $9.44 as of today, April 8th at 3:46 Eastern. So what should they be watching? It's simple, contracts, because now that they're inside the system, the next step is execution. The first major deal, the first real valuation, and once that happens, that's when things start moving fast. Because remember, even a small piece of a $33 billion pipeline can be massive for a company this size. Now to be clear, this is not guaranteed. This is still an early stage company. Execution matters and contracts matter, and nothing happens unless they deliver. So this is not a finished story. This is a company trying to prove itself. But when you combine global exposure with the World Cup, access to $33 billion contract pipeline, and the future of drone-based security, you start to understand why Ondas might be just getting started. And the real question is, what happens when they land that first major contract? So let's go over what's going on here. Ondas declined approximately 22% over the past month despite reporting record revenues. Explosive growth in defense contracts and strategic acquisitions fueled this trend. Analysts project significant upside for the next quarter as the company targets at least $375 million in 2026 revenue, supported by a growing $68 million backlog. Why experts are bullish on Ondas. Massive revenue guidance increase. Management raised in 2026 revenue outlook to at least $375 million, representing a substantial increase from previous estimates. This follows record Q4 2025, where revenue surged 629% year over year, approximately $30 million, driven by aggressive expansion in autonomous systems and private wireless networks. Prime defense contractor status. Acquisition of Mistral has transformed the company into a U.S. defense prime contractor, granting direct access to over $1 billion in Department of Defense contract vehicles. Recent wins include $50 million remaining deal in a contract to provide counter drone protection for 2026 World Cup, FIFA World Cup. Robust capital position. Following a $960 million net capital raise in 2026 of January, the company ended the period with approximately $1.5 billion in pro forma cash on hand. The significant liquidity provides ample capacity to fund ongoing operations, organic growth initiatives, and further strategic M&A activities without immediate financing risk. All right, the bearish is significant net losses and dilution. Despite surging revenue, the company reported a massive Q4 2025 net loss of approximately $100 million, partly due to non-cash warrant valuation charges. Investors remain concerned about the path of profitability and the potential for future dilution following large-scale equity-linked offerings used to fund acquisitions. So obviously they got to spend money to make money. And that's where the contracts, those big contracts that they're starting to get are really starting to help the company. Persistent margin pressures. Analysts anticipate that overall gross margins may remain under 50% through 2026 as projections suggest a gradual decline over the next decade due to increasing competitive pressures in the next autonomous drone and wireless sectors, which could limit long-term earnings potential despite top-line growth. High valuation relative to peers. The company trades at a forward price to sales ratio of approximately $8.76, which is significantly higher than the industry average of under 2. This is elevated valuation coupled with recent price validity has led some research firms to issue sell ratings based on overvaluation concerns. All right, so that's it for Ondas today. And this video is for entertainment purposes only. And we'll see you in the next one.